Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and reattach the lumbar support on your Steelcase Leap V2 chair. To start, you're going to want to slightly pull the back pad up a little bit away from the frame so you can get a good hold onto the handle of the lumbar support. Now, if you kind of reach in and scoop under the lumbar support, you should be able to pull it up and off. And then we're just going to tuck that inside behind the pad. And then we're going to go to the other side of the chair, and we're going to do the same thing. Once that is off, you should be able to pull the whole lumbar support out from behind the chair. To reattach the lumbar support onto your chair, you're just going to pull the back pad up just a little bit and insert the lumbar support so that the handles are facing towards the back of the chair and it goes along with the curve. Once that's pushed in, you want to reach in from the opposite side of the chair and pull the support handle through. Once both handles are visible on both sides of the chair, you're going to want to just push them into place so that they connect to the frame. And then you should be able to move the lumbar support up and down. If you have any further questions on how to remove or attach the lumbar support on your Leap chair, feel free to contact us. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.